Welcome to Success Academy YouTube channel. This is my first English video. Hope you will like it. Today we'll try to learn about how many numbers of vertices, surface and edges are there of a particular 3D object. Suppose this is an object. Everybody knows that what type of object it is. It is a cuboid. So it has how many edges? First we try to understand. If you see a room that looks like a just cuboid, so you can assume that and try to understand. See, this is the first 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So number of edges it has is 12. How many vertices? These are called vertices. How many vertices it has? Count. I have counted it. 8. 4 and 4, 8. So vertices are 8. Next, how many surfaces it has? This is one surface. This is two surface. This is 3. This is 4. This is 5 and 6. So it has surfaces. 6 surfaces. Next, this is the first one, cuboid. Next we will go to the cube. Cube will also have the same properties like a cuboid have, because it also looks like almost the same. Dice of a Ludo game, example of it. So it has also 1, 2, 3, 4 edges, 4 vertices. How many edges? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 and also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it has edge, surfaces and vertices number. Edge will be 12, surface will be 6, vertex will be 8. Hope you are understanding. Next we will go through cone. Cone will be look like just like this. All you have eaten cone ice cream, so you'll understand how does it look like. So it has only one surface, one plain surface and one this curved surface. So total surface is 2, one plain, one curved. Vertices is only 1. Vertices, actually vertex we should write because it is singular number 1. And edges only 1, that is also curved edge. Edge is also 1. Okay. Next we'll go to the cylinder. It will look like just like this. It has how many? Pardon me? Yes, now it is correct. So it has 1, 2 and this round. 3 surfaces. So surface is 3. 2 plain surface and 1 curved surface. Next, it has no vertices. See, no pointing thing. So vertices is 0. Next, edges. It has edges only 1 and 2. 2 edges. These are not edges, these are round. Okay. In picture I have drawn like this, but in reality this doesn't have any edge. So it has only 2 edge, 1 and 2. Next we'll go to the pyramid. It's a 5 number. Pyramid just like this. Okay. So you can tell how many edges it has. These are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 edges. How many vertices? 4 and this 5. So vertices is 5. Next we'll go to the surface 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So it has 5 surfaces also, and all are plane. One thing I should tell you that there are lots of types of pyramid are there. If the plane things means the base is like this rectangular, then only it is called just a pyramid. But there are pentagonal pyramid also, like this pyramid also can be there. It will look like this. Okay, in this case you have to count it like that. Okay, so we are completed with pyramid. Next we will go to the prism. Prism is just like this. If you want to you can draw like this, so it will be more correct, like this, this and this. So it has how many vertices? It has vertices 6, edges 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 9. So it has edges 9, and it has surface 1, 1, 2 and this 3, 5. So surface is 5. So it is triangular prism is known as only prism. It could be also pentagonal, square. If it is square, then it would be cuboid, of course. There are more shapes to come in, like a sphere. It is not a circle, sphere. Okay, it is a 3D object. In the sphere, it will be how many edges? It will be no edges, 0. Vertices, no vertices, 0. And surface only is one surface. That is the curved surface. The final one is hemisphere. Hemisphere. One surface and the surface. So it has 2 surfaces. One is plane, one is curved. Second is how many edges? 1 edges. Edge 1, that is curved. How many vertices? No vertices, 0. So these are some example of 3D objects. There are more 3D objects. You can find it by your own. Try it in the home. If you have any problem finding the edges and surfaces, you can ask me in the comment box. Okay. Like, share, comment, subscribe also. Please help me to grow this channel so that I can make this type of video more and more in future. Hope you like it. Thank you.